We are going to show you today how to remove your KOMOTO X1500 battery. So there is a combination lock, so if you do program this lock, you obviously have to make sure you have the right COM. Obviously this way is locked, horizontal is unlocked, that's how you can tell. So that's how you go, so that's step one. Then over here in the front there's a latch. This latch can be adjusted by spinning it up and down if you need to tighten it. So let's see here, we'll get this out of the way. You can see a better view there. And see how that flips up. Okay, there's the on and off switch. Always make sure the battery, is off. You know what I mean? On is down, pretty sure. And then once we get up over here, we'll lift this. This pulls up. Obviously you can see how it has the latch there. How this is the one latch and then the second latch. And then it just like pulls out. You can set the battery down on the bottom like that, and that's perfectly safe. So you don't have to worry anything about that. Then obviously to reinstall it, you take it, slides back in, you press it down, you usually try to spin the spin lock, and you come to the front thing. You can see here this can be adjusted by spinning this. So if you spin this, you can loosen and tighten how tight the battery latch is. You obviously want to make it pretty snug because your life is on the line, and that's how you take out the battery.